Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. So I'm back. I'm home in Dar es Salaam. If you follow my videos, you know that I was in London. It was actually like a birthday trip. My husband a few weeks ago was like, let's go to London for your birthday. My original plan was not to go anywhere. We were just going to stay here because obviously I was going to go to continental Europe in summer. I'm still going on those European trips, but he wanted to treat me to a trip to London. We were going to go anyway, but just not for my birthday. So it was really fun. So let me show you everything that I got for my birthday. These are all things that I picked up when I was in London. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Let's start off with what I got from Longchamp. I bought this at the Longchamp boutique at Westfield. Just put the bag there. So it's been squashed a little bit because I had packed it away. So this, like I said, was from the Longchamp store. By the way, I just did my nails, so it's going to take me some time to open these ribbons. It's from the Longchamp boutique at Westfield in West London at Shepherd's Bush. They have a boutique there. As you know, I have the pliage, which is upstairs in my lady lair. So yeah, let me show you what I got. I got this gorgeous, super beautiful, stunning pouch in pink. Duh! In this really beautiful pink. It's this pink, Longchamp calls it, what does Longchamp call this? They call this candy. And this pouch is Le Foulonne, and that is the name of the pouch. So you can see here, it says Longchamp there. You should be able to see it. And then at the back, it's just like this. It's just really beautiful. It's just like really nice, beautiful leather, and it says Longchamp, and it has the, you know, the logo, which is like the jockey on the horse. Yeah, really, really gorgeous. Love this. It just has a Longchamp card in it. It says article en cuir, meaning article made of leather. It says that there. Yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. Longchamp is only two brands sent me birthday emails. Guess who those brands are? Longchamp and Versace. We'll talk about Versace later. I didn't get anything from Versace in the UK, but I'm going to buy Versace this summer in Europe because I have a new strategy for Versace. So we'll talk about that later. But it was pretty cool that they sent me like a birthday email. I know that brands do this all the time, but I didn't get any from any other brands before, and I have like bought other things with other brands. So yeah, this pouch right here. So yeah, it's called Le Foulonne. That is the name of the pouch. That's the back, and at the front, it's just like this. So I'll just be using this as a keep-all, put coins in here. There is like, I think this is a D-ring. I think you can just like, you could hook it onto something. You could put it inside a bag. You could hook it onto a bunch of things. I think this is just a nice, like usable pouch that can be used for a wide range of things. I love their leathers. I think their leathers are very, very, very good. The quality of their leathers is really nice. I love the pliage. I think I just need to get it in a lighter, not in a lighter color, in a darker color. I prefer lighter colors because I find them more, I think they're just much more my style, but I think the darker colors are more hard wearing because that pliage now, like if I showed it here on camera, I think on social media, people are used to seeing things look a certain way, and people will be like, oh my God, it has so much color transfer. It's not like super pristine, but I use my things and I get like a lot of enjoyment from them. The next thing that I picked up is something from Beauty. Again, it's kind of open, sorry, because of the fact that, you know, I've been traveling obviously from London to Dar, and it is this gorgeous, super beautiful pink, of course. Hello. Pink lip glow from Dior. This is the lip glow oil, cherry oil. Love, love, love this. Just think the color is so gorgeous and so darling. Love. So I just wanted to show you this. So I got this as well. Also got this at Westfield at Shepherd's Bush. Now let me show you what I got from Moschino. You know, Moschino is one of my favorite brands. Now, before I open this, some of you were like, oh, you know, are you still shopping at Versace? You haven't like unboxed anything from Versace since the beginning of the year. That's true. And obviously I went to Moschino in February. and now I've gone to Moschino again, and of course I'll go there again. Versace is like basically my favorite brand. I would say Moschino is like number 2. I just feel like I need a new strategy for Versace this summer, and my new strategy is to lead with ready to wear first, basically, which really should have been the strategy from the beginning, and that's what I do at Moschino anyway. So let me show you these 2 ready to wear garments that I picked up. I'm really looking forward to showing you guys what I got. So let's get started. Now, they did wrap it in this knot, and I have like my nails that I did, my press-on nails. So if I try and open it, it will kind of whatever, like break my nails. So I'll just pull them out like this, and then we'll open them all up individually. Okay, I love by the way, the Moschino bag is like really good quality. I hope that they open without any drama. So let me show you the first ready to wear purchase, which is, it's not true ready to wear because it's a swimsuit. Although I was chatting to one of the Glamazons and she was like, stop saying swimwear isn't ready to wear. It is, because it's a garment. Anything that's a garment is ready to wear. I was like, okay, fine. So this is what is this? This is a swimsuit. This is one of their personal this is one of their permanent like swimsuits, basically, from the permanent line. I haven't tried it on yet. It's definitely, it kind of gives off that like Baywatch vibe in terms of the cut of the swimsuit, but it's just a classic logo piece. So you can see it here like this. So that's how it looks from the back. This, I think, will go down quite a little bit, but yeah, this is really cute. I got this in the size that I always get at Moschino, which is an Italian 46, which corresponds to like a UK 12 to 14, basically, in UK sizing. So yeah, this is what I got, an Italian 46, so that's like a UK 12 to 14, so it's a US 10. And this is how it looks from the front. As you know, I have a swimming pool there. So I'm really looking forward to jumping in the pool. It's a little bit late at the moment because I've come at the end of the workday, because I'm back at work now, so I'm back working. So I finished working and then I wanted to come and film this haul. So tomorrow, when I finish working, I'll go and jump in the pool. Here she is, my new Moschino swimsuit. And this is from the permanent collection, as I said. Things that are permanent at Moschino, they're called the carryover. So that's how it looks. It's just a logo piece. This is a classic, just a true logo piece, but it will look much better on. So that's something to be aware of. Okay, so that's the first thing that I got. The next thing that I got that I'm very excited about is, I haven't taken the tags off because I haven't tried them on yet, but I know that they fit, is this very fun, super bright T-shirt from Moschino with the iconic Moschino bear. This is new. I believe this is actually one of their like spring summer T-shirts as well for spring summer 2023. It says here, this is not a Moschino toy. I think I'd mentioned this before, but Franco Moschino, the founder of the brand, he had teddy bears like in a lot of his original catwalk shows. He passed away when he was quite young, but he did a lot in terms of building the motifs of the brand, and the teddy bear is one of them. So it's just a classic cotton t-shirt. Again, this is in an Italian 46. I will literally take the tags off. You always see me wearing like the ready to wear that I buy. You see me wearing it in my vlogs. You see me wearing it in my sit down videos that I film for the channel. So this is an Italian 46. It's super cute. The tag there has like the bear. The one on my Moschino top with the heart from spring summer 2023 doesn't have the bear on it, but this has the bear on it as well. So this is a spring summer 2023 t-shirt. This is my pink Ralph Lauren polo, so you can see like how nice and beautiful and pink it looks. And this is red, so you can see the contrast, just so you can get an idea of how bright this t-shirt is, because this is very bright. So yeah, this is how it looks. So that is basically everything that I got for my birthday, but that is actually part one of what I got for my birthday. So let me tell you what you can expect to see in the next like coming weeks. This is part one. my luxury birthday haul. I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing, something else I got for my birthday, a fine jewelry unboxing, something else I got for my birthday, not from a super famous brand or anything, it's from an independent jeweler, so you'll see that as well. And I have something really cool to show you from men's, something that my husband got for himself, whatever, but I'll show you. So I have two more like luxury birthday unboxings to show you, and I have a luxury, well, not luxury, but it's like a beauty unboxing haul of all the beauty things I picked up when I was in London, because I feel like beauty is like super important and we don't talk about beauty enough, and I think it's very, very important. Like now as I'm getting older, I want to look like a vampire for the rest of my life. Like I want to look permanently my age right now, which is my new age because I just turned 37, so I want to be a vampire forever, honey. So I'd like to also take care of my skin. So watch out for those unboxings. All of my unboxings are on my unboxings and haul playlist, so you can just watch all of them consecutively on there. So Louis Vuitton birthday unboxing, fine jewelry birthday unboxing. I'll show you something that my husband picked up because it's really, really cool. I love it. And yeah, make sure that you guys stick around for that as well. I want to show you this denim capsule from Dries Van Noten. Now, Dries Van Noten was on the Louisa by Aroma app, but it's not on there at the moment, which is disappointing because I wanted to order something from Dries Van Noten. So I'll wait until I go to Paris and Amsterdam and Geneva this summer to find his label again. I did see Dries Van Noten in the UK as well. The ready-to-wear is really, really cool. I love the look of this denim capsule. This is currently what I'm stalking at the moment. And I'm also stalking these boots from Louis Vuitton. I'll quickly show them as well here. I'll insert a picture here. These are from Métier d'Art. These are really, really cool. I don't need boots, as you can see, for this weather, but I'm just thinking, well, maybe I should have a few autumn winter pieces that I can just like use whenever I go on travels, like when it's cold, because we tend to travel in winter anyway. My husband loves traveling at the end of the year, so like December he loves going to places. It would be nice to have some like autumn winter staples. So I love the way these boots look. I think they're very, very cool. So I just wanted to quickly show you those. Those are two things that I'm kind of looking at: the denim capsule from Dries Van Noten and these boots from Louis Vuitton. I love everything that I got from my birthday. I don't think that there is like a particular favorite, but I cannot wait to start like wearing this really, really beautiful lip glow oil from Dior. So yeah, really looking forward to that. And I love the Moschino clothing that I got, the t-shirt, the swimsuit. I can't wait to like wear the swimsuit. I think it's going to look really beautiful like when I'm swimming, because obviously the pool is blue and the swimsuit is yellow as well. And of course the pouch that I got from Longchamp, which is of course pink. So a pink pouch from Longchamp. So yeah, very, very excited about that. So this is part one of my luxury birthday haul. I really hope that you liked it. It's from London. Everything is about 15 to 20% more expensive in pounds. I think this is something you should be aware of. I don't feel like that will stop anyone from shopping in London. The boutiques were absolutely rammed. The service is what it is. London is a European city. The essays there are very similar to the essays in Paris. There is a kind of indifference with a lot of the essays there, but we'll chat about that more in the Louis Vuitton unboxing because I have some thoughts to share. But it was a decent experience. I think with Moschino is a ready-to-wear brand. Like if you're going to shop at Moschino, not buy the clothes, I just don't really feel like they care. The moment that she knew I had a profile, because I did mention to her casually, I was like, oh, I'd like to buy a t-shirt. And I was like, oh, I know my size because I have already purchased before in Paris. The moment I said that, like everything changed. And it was like, she was much warmer and friendlier to me than before I had said that. So that's something to note. And even at Longchamp, the essay kind of assumed that I didn't have a profile, even though I was holding the pliage. He was like, oh, let me make a profile for you. I was like, oh, no, I already have a profile at Longchamp. And he was like, oh, okay. Again, once they know that you have a profile and that you have shopped and purchased things before, they're like completely different as well. I really hope that you have liked this video. I'd love to get your feedback on my, like the things that I picked up, like what are the favorites that you like out of here. My style is, I think I've said this before, like my style is like, I want to be like ultra feminine glamour, but I'm also super retro. Like I like things that are 50s, 60s and 70s. I also like those eras, and I like things that are just very feminine and glamorous. Like I love pink, as you know. I love I love things that look very feminine and super glamorous, but I love colors and prints and logos, of course. You can see I have 2 logo pieces here. You know, gosh, you guys, you know how I feel about the quiet luxury stuff. I can't stand that conversation. It drives me absolutely mad. I'm just going to be true to myself and just buy the things that I like. I don't look at categories for things. The Longchamp piece is probably the quietest or most discreet piece out of everything here, but I love the color and I love the way it looks, and the quality is really, really great. So I was like, yeah, why not? I really hope that you like this video. Please consider subscribing, hitting notifications. Some of you are watching my videos but you're not subscribed and you're not hitting notifications. I don't know why, boo-boo. Please correct that and do that for me. It really helps to support what I'm doing on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.